You've seen these everywhere. Text boxes that automatically resize with your text. Here's how to build one in After Effects. No plugins, no expressions. I'll also show you how to add a border, change the color, and save it as a preset so you can reuse it with one click. Create a new composition. 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. Duration doesn't matter. Select the text tool, click in the composition and type subscribe. Font doesn't matter, pick whatever you have. Once you have your text, time to build the box. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Fill and apply it. Then search for Shift Channels and apply that too. Change Take Alpha from to full on. Now you can see the square appearing behind your text. Now search for CC RepeTile and apply it. This is what expands the box around your text. Set the top, bottom, left and right values to 90. Adjust this to however much padding you want. The text will disappear at this point. That's normal. Search for CC Composite and apply it to bring the text back. Try typing more text. The box automatically expands with it. Now let's round the corners. Search for Simple Choker and apply it. Set the value to 100. Duplicate the effect and change the second one to -100. Now let's add color. Search for Gradient Ramp and apply it. Place it right above CC Composite in the effects stack. The order matters here. Wrong placement and it won't work. Adjust the start and end colors however you want. Make it yours. Now let's animate. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for typewriter. Apply it to the text layer. But here's the problem. The box is visible before the text appears. Let's fix that. Expand the text layer, animate, add scale, set it to 0%. Now the box grows with the text, letter by letter, and lands perfectly at full size. Once you're happy with the result, let's save it as a preset so you never have to build this again. If this helped, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is for. After Effects made simple. Select the layer, hold Control, and click all the effects. Go to Animation, Save Animation Preset. Give it a name and save it. One important thing, save it in the default After Effects Presets folder. Otherwise, it won't show up in the Effects and Presets panel. Restart After Effects and your preset is ready. Just create a text layer, find your preset, drag it on. Everything applied instantly. And if you want a border fade, pre-compose the layer. Right-click, Layer Styles, Stroke. Adjust the size and color to whatever you want. Next, build a progress bar in After Effects. Show your viewers exactly how much of your video is left.